Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss a very important question which has come so many times in board exam. You can see this figure. We have to prove that PQ is equal to half the perimeter of the triangle PLM. So let us start. Here first of all, if you see perimeter of triangle PLM will be PL plus LM plus MP. That means sum of all the three sides of the triangle, that is perimeter. After that you see PL, and here we have LM. It can be splitted in two parts, LN and MN. We can split it in two parts, LN plus NM, and that third one will be written as it is MP. After that you see, if we draw two tangents from same external point, their length will be equal. So here LN and LQ will be equal, these two parts will be equal. So in place of LN we can write LQ. So here I am writing LQ because tangents from same external point will be equal. Same here also, MN and MT will be equal because they are tangents from M. So here it will be converted in MT part. In place of MN I am writing MT, and MP will be written as it is. Now see these two, when you add PL plus LQ, then you will get PQ. So here we will write PQ. Here MT and MP, when you add, you will get PT, and they are also tangents from same external point, so they will also be equal. That's why we can write PQ, and in place of PT we can write PQ because they are also tangents from same external point. So here in place of PT we can write PQ, and now we have double of PQ, and that is equal to perimeter of triangle. Here we can write again perimeter of triangle PLM. Now if you solve this equation, when it come to this side, it will become 1/2 and perimeter of triangle PLM, that is equal to PQ, and that is what we wanted to prove. Now why I have taken this question, because question number 8 of your sample paper of standard paper, PQ they have given 28 centimeters square, 28 centimeter, then find the perimeter of PLM. We want to find the perimeter. So because this is 1 mark question, so in short you can write down, in the beginning you can write down, we know that PQ will be equal to 1/2 perimeter of this one. First you write down this result. Now what they have given, PQ they have given 28. So here we can write 28 and 1/2 into perimeter of triangle PLM. Now when you solve it, this 1/2 will go to that side, that's why perimeter, therefore perimeter will be equal to 56. Perimeter will be equal to 56. Let me write it. Here see students, perimeter will be equal to this 28 into 1 by 2. When go to that side, it will be reciprocal. So 28 into 2 will be equal to 56 centimeter. So that will be the answer. So because this question is just for 1 mark, you can directly write like that. You can write, first we know that PQ is equal to half the perimeter of PLM. But suppose this question is coming in more marks, 3 marks or 2 marks. In that case, you will have to solve that full. I think you understood. Thank you, students.